Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Celia and I do hair videos, makeup videos, and some fashion. So today is going to be a fashion video. Actually, it's going to be a lookbook, and I want to start doing videos where I show you guys how to style like certain items. So today I think it wouldn't be me if I didn't start out this series or this video not showing you guys how I style men's shirt, because y'all know I love to wear men's shirt. I love to wear oversized men's shirt. I think every lookbook I incorporate some sort of menswear, men's button-up shirt. This video I'm gonna style two menswear, one white and one like light blue. What kind of blue would you call it? I don't know what kind of blue that is. If anybody know what kind of blue we call it, put that down below. But I chose these two because these are the easiest to style when it comes down to oversized men's shirt. I would suggest, if you're just diving into oversized men's shirt, I would recommend you get either white or that shade of blue, because those are the easiest to style and they come off so expensive looking. Like, you don't have to do much to it. Those two colors just effortless, just so effortless. It looks like you didn't try. I wouldn't tell you, if you're just starting out, you know, playing around with this type of style, to go with prints or stripes or anything like that. I just say stick to this until you get comfortable and know how to style it. Then you kind of move up. So this video I'm going to show you how I would style two of them. Also, I normally get my men's shirt in 3 different sizes for 3 different reasons. I get the small, well, to be honest, no, I don't have no small. It's large, extra large, or extra large. You'll be like, extra large, because I want them for different things. The large, as I said, I like mine oversized. I could probably do small, but if I'm gonna get small, might as well I just get women's button-down shirt. So I like them oversized, so that's why I go for large. I use large whenever I'm wearing, like, I just want to wear it as a shirt, just like that, and I just want to wear it with jeans. I can insert pictures and show you whenever I use large. I use extra large if I want to tuck it into like a sweater, or I want to wear like what's it called, blazer over it, something that is not going to be, it's not going to be shown as much. And then extra large I use whenever I want to wear it as a dress. So if I want, or if I'm gonna belt it and I want it to still look baggy, one of my looks, I use the extra large, the blue one, and I belt it so you guys can see. But I'm gonna insert a picture and show you how I wear the extra large as a dress. So that's the reason why I have 3 different sizes in men's button-up shirt. I'm just explaining this before I just go and just show a lookbook. I wanted to give you guys an intro, so I hope you guys like this video, because I'm going to be doing a lot more fashion on my channel, because I really love fashion. And if you've been watching, following me on Instagram, you realize I'm incorporating more fashion on my Instagram as well, because I actually love fashion and more than doing hair on myself. I love doing hair on other people, but for myself, I prefer to stay in the fashion category. I don't know, I just have to see. But I still love doing my hair, and I'm still gonna come back with my hair videos and stuff. But I just want to do things that I love. I also want to do stuff that you guys want, but I also want to incorporate stuff that I love and I genuinely want to film. So yeah, so hope you like it. Leave a comment below, let me know, and give this video a thumbs up if you did. And take care guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
What's up? Yeah, listen. I know we said it's best we don't talk no more, but I gotta get it off my chest about all the shit I've been hearing, babe. I thought you was that ride or die. You would never leave my side. I really made you out to be the woman that I will be with for life. I took in your key, did everything that you wanted me to. Now man, look shit, got you frontin' no radio interviews. Do it make you feel good to lie, even though when you wanna cry. Hey, you gon' tell it, you should've told everything instead of making me the bad guy. If you got nothing good to say, then don't say nothing, cause if I really start talking, it'll be something. So you cheated I cheated, so be it. We need to leave it alone. Move on. These are my confessions. Just when I thought I said all I can say, my chick on the side says she got one on the way. These are my confessions. Man, I'm thrown and I don't know what to do. I guess I gotta give part two of my confessions. If I'm gonna tell it, then I gotta tell it all. Damn, they cried when I got that phone call. I'm so close, right? I don't know what to do but to give you part two of my confessions. Give you part two of my confessions.
I confess about the incident when I was with a shorty in a Lexus, cool. Your homie said she saw me, but she didn't have proof. But I knew I really should have been just telling you the truth. And I confess about the days I was rolling my Seville with the custom gold grill. I was in the field still looking for a thrill, and I knew it was bogus, I should have kept it real. And I confess that just when I thought I could really try to get away with having other women on the side, but I never knew that it would catch up with a nigga one day. You gotta hear me, girl, I done learned a lesson. If you stay with me, then it'll be a blessing. No stressing, it'll never be no guessing, cause I'm pouring out my heart, and these are my confessions.
Just when I thought I said all I can say, my chick on the side says she got one on the way. These are my confessions. Man, I'm thrown and I don't know what to do. I guess I gotta